Hi everyone, this is Vijay from VJR Advisory Group. Today topic is ReRa. So what do you mean by ReRa? ReRa is a regulatory authority for the real estate project. Logically, real estate regulatory authority, full form of the ReRa. And what ReRa will do is logically it regulates the real estate project. How it regulates means, let's say when the real estate developer starts a project, everybody has to get RERA approval, and there will be a RERA number will be there once it is approved. That has to be mentioned in all the advertisement and everywhere for the respective project. So RERA approval will be taken for some certain uh, square feet built up area has been increased. Over and above that, they have to get registered under the RERA. What is the benefit of the RERA? I'm just make it very crisp. So with RERA registered projects, you can get assured like that has to be completed within the time frame. Second thing is all the details of the project. Let's say what is the cost of the project, what is the inventory, I mean number of units and everything. Every detail has to be submitted to RERA every quarter, and initially also what is a plan, what is approval, all the details. Once you logged into RERA, you can search this particular project and get all the details, cost details, approval by multiple authorities. Everything will be there in the uh, RERA website. You can go and download and check, and all these things can be done. Then what happens is every quarter, every builder has to provide a details to RERA, saying that what is the sales has been happened, what is the cost, what is the progress of the particular project. Those are all the details will be mentioned in each quarter. Next, there will be separate RERA dedicated designated account has been kept for collecting the money from the customer. Generally, what happens? Many builders use the money to other projects. For this project, money to be used for to other projects. To avoid that and to restrict that, RERA said the particular money of this particular project which is collected from the customer has to be used to only this only to this particular project. So um, builder is not allowed to use this particular project money to some other project or whatever, some other purpose or whatever. So for that, RERA said there will be a dedicated collection account for the and dedicated designated account for the particular project to whichever money you collected from the customer has to go to dedicated collection account, and from there will be a 70-30 ratio. 30% can be used to directly to the project expenses account, and 70% will go to designated account. That designated account with the um, proper percentage of completion, and which should get certified by the CA, then only it can be used to that particular project. Until then it will be sitting in money will be sitting in that designated account only. This is just to restrict the builder to use money for other purpose, or upfront they use money. So all this, to avoid all this situation, there is a dedicated account has been kept, and there will be a delay compensation. Let's say project get delayed, the customer has to get delay compensation than the prescribed limit by the RERA. These are all the some important points of RERA. Why RERA is important in any real estate project. So I suggest who are buying the property, apartments and everything. So when you're going for a buying, so please try to find the RERA registered projects. At least there will be some assurance, there will be some documentation, there will be some authority which will look after the project. Thank you.